Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, this is Pnwrc Madness, and I got another video today on your TRAAXAS XRT. Let's check it out. All right, so check this out, guys. We got the TRAAXAS XRT up on the bench today, and the whole reason I want to share this with you guys is because we're going to be installing this brand new Hobbywing 56118 censored version into the truck. Now check this out, when you go and you buy yourself a TRAAXAS XRT in the stock form and you want to convert it over to a mod motor and a mod ESC, you're going to need some sort of mounting situation for your ESC. I got you covered. And then as far as your motor as well, I got those, and that's on my website too. You can find all that stuff at www.pnwrcmadness.com. Anyways, come on in, check it out. I'm going to show you what we got. We're going to put it all in, and we're going to take this thing out for a rip. Let's go. We'll just go ahead and throw another tag on here, but this is what you're going to get when you receive your order, when you place your order. So you're going to get one tray. This is going to be the ESC tray. Now these ESC trays are actually drilled for the Castle XLX2. You can re-drill them for the new G2. These are just what I had in stock, and I haven't sold all the version 1s yet, but these still work. And then another thing you can do, guys, let me show you that. So one quick thing you can do, it's super fast and super easy, is just use some double back 3M tape. But first you're going to want to clean off your tray. Grab a rag, grab yourself some cowrc Moo Clean. You can find these at cowrc.com. And you can also use my driver's code capitals PNWRC and then numbers 2021. So PNWRC 2021 for one-time 15% off. Thank you, Heath. Anyways, go ahead, clean up that, and then clean up the bottom of your ESC, wipe that down, apply your double back tape, and you'll be good to go. You can crash it and bash it, and that thing is not going to separate. All right, guys, so sorry we're super up close, but I didn't show you. I want to show you all the colors that are available before we do forget to show you guys. But right off the bat, check it out. We've got green now, and they're actually inlaid. It's like super awesome. Austin Siegliski from Fourth Dimension RC, he actually prints these for me in my business. But so we have the orange, we have the red, super nice. We got a new color available. It's going to be purple. It's got the black inlay. With the black inlay, they're all black inlaid. And then we got black, excuse me, so the black's gonna have a silver inlay. And then we're installing the orange tray today. So there is that. So let's go. All right, so first thing in order, we are gonna have to take off the GPM chassis brace. It is a little bit of extra work, but guys, this thing's got 8 connection points. It's super solid, and they got 3 options available. We got blue, black, and silver. You can find these on my website as well. All right, so this truck weighs 34 pounds, and I want to say, believe it or not, that this bar is still straight as an arrow and has saved my bulkheads and probably, I don't know what else. I just think that that thing has definitely saved my truck in a lot of cases. So we'll go ahead, pull this motor out of here. We're going to swap over the 1100, then I'm going to show you guys how to install the ESC CAddy. All right, 2.5 is not going to do it. All right, check this out. So guys, you can also find these tools on my website. These are my quick tips. They're all colored. So we got the 3.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, and 3.0. Every package is going to come with a bag of hardware, your 2 plates, and your RX box. And that's already going to have your screws installed. Now when you get the plates, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the smaller of the 2 plates. You're going to take these 6, I believe they're 6mm standoffs, M3 by 6 standoffs, and you're also going to get, I believe these are 6mm M3 by 6 flatheads. Add a little bit of Loctite, cowrc Loctite. Don't forget, you can use my coupon code for 15% off. Loctite those bad boys on there, and then you can go ahead, use the provided screws and screw down the RX box. So there's what I'm talking about. You're gonna have a little hole right there off to the side. So that's gonna go just like that. 2 10mm flatheads right there through the bottom. That's gonna secure the RX box. So just gonna go ahead, line up your holes on the bottom. I don't suggest using the power drill if you're first installing these. Definitely use a hand wrench. Oh guys, all right, check it out. I also have these on my website. They are not quite as fancy as the MIPs, but they are very nice and they have been holding up super well. So definitely go ahead and screw these down by hand because it is plastic, 3D printed, and you don't want to strip it out. I mean, I don't think it's going to strip out. I haven't had any issues yet, but just start them by hand, wrench them down by hand, and you'll be good to go. Once you got your RX box installed onto the RX plate, go ahead and take off the cap. Next, you're gonna grab your ESC plate, go ahead, double back tape that down, or you can screw it. You can drill new holes as I did for the new G2. Just don't forget, if you're gonna use the double back tape, remember to clean off the tray and also clean off the bottom of the ESC. Don't worry about it falling off if you've got it nice and clean, hashtag clean. Guys, if you use the comment hashtag clean in the comments below, I will send you a coupon code for my store as well. So hashtag MooClean, I'll send you 2 coupon codes if you missed it here in the video. So real quick, when you buy the 1100 from Hobby Wing, this is the monster you're gonna get. Let's go ahead and pull it out of the box. This thing is super beefy, super heavy. That's kind of the reason why, and I'll show you a size comparison here. I don't run these motors, but look at that thing. It's just enormous and it's super awesome, super beautiful looking. 8mm shaft, sensor wire, and it looks to have the 8mm bullets on it already. All right, so we got the motor on the mount, and then first thing I like to do is just go ahead, take your RX tray and your provided screws, and then make sure that you have the tray with the hole facing toward the front of the truck. Then you're going to take the provided M3x10 flatheads and screw all 4 of those down. Alright, so after you got it screwed down, now it's super simple. If you do have a motor set up with fans, now is the time to go ahead and install your motor mount and run your wires into the RX box. And since we're not running any motor fans, we're going to go ahead, after we get this all mounted up, we got it mounted up, we're going to go ahead now, run the ESC cable underneath the tray. Go ahead, run that through the existing hole in the RX box up and into the new Pnwrcmadness box. And run it right through there, right underneath. Be careful not to pinch your wires. Go ahead, run that into the RX box. And then guys, after that, it's pretty simple. I'll go ahead and clean it all up, but then you're gonna take we got some stainless steel. These aren't aluminum, they're stainless steel 4mm standoffs. Those are gonna go right here in the front of the ESC tray. And then you're gonna take the last, and those are gonna come with M3x16, I believe. That's gonna screw those down. And then you're gonna use the last 6mm screw to screw the plate down, which is gonna be the connection point between the RX and the ESC tray, right into the 6mm standoff. All right, check it out, guys. I know I say check it out a lot, but check it out, guys. We got it installed, and we didn't shorten the wires or anything, but definitely we're gonna end the video now. And we're gonna take this thing out for a rip, get some action of these tires and the new motor. I'll give you some feedback on that, but really, I just wanted to show you guys the install, the new version 2, and yeah, it all fits. There's like 1mm or 2 of room, maybe 3mm. Let me show you that really quick, guys, and then I'm gonna end the video. There it is, check it out. We got the Max 5 G2. the max, or excuse me, we got the 1100 kV censored, and then the brand new version 2 Pnwrc Madness Caddy. Guys, this is the way to go. Thanks for watching the channel. Please do subscribe, leave me a comment, leave me a like, hit the subscribe button in the corner, and I will talk to you guys later. Whoosh.